So the front tube chassis on this car, with how I used the square tube in the front, it looks pretty good. This round thing that I built right here looks like hot fucking garbage. I picked up some more square tube and we're gonna change that. We're gonna build a boxed in rear section of the frame here, make it a little bit stronger, and make it look a hell of a lot better. First issue I'm going to have here, though, is I already built a mount bracket off that. I have to build a new fan trowel mount bracket, but not too worried about it. I think I'm going to extend it out a little bit more, too, so I can fit 2 batteries in there if I need to, because I'm sure a lot of people with drift cars and stuff have had battery dying issues from running fans with the keys off, stuff like that. Cars aren't running very long, so cranking amperage, you can kill a battery pretty easily on a race car. So I think it'll be nice to be able to fit 2 batteries back there. So I'm definitely gonna build it with 2 battery trays, one on each side, even though I only have 1 battery at the moment. First things first, I gotta get this bumper off. Luckily it's only zip tied on. Forgot to take that bolt out. I almost fucked up. One thing that sucks about this is the battery tray I built. I already welded it on. So I'm definitely going to have to cut that off there if I want to reuse that tray. I mean, I do think I have enough material left if I want to build another one. But I don't really feel like building another one if I don't have to. So yeah, I'm going to have to get that cut off and then start taking measurements for this. So I'm going to get all the measurements and everything I need. And then we'll probably run a time-lapse video of me cutting and building this thing. I feel like that's enough for today. So it definitely comes out a little bit further than before, squared up. Right now it's just kind of tacked on there. I still need to finish weld the plates on too. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't go ahead and final weld it or anything like that. Welding to that chassis metal can be kind of a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna see if I can find a MIG welder to borrow to MIG those plates in. That just makes it a hell of a lot easier too, so yep, gotta get that done too. But it should definitely be a little beefier than this little tube that I had on there before. Yeah, if I set this tube in here, you can kind of see how much further out this new section actually goes. Triangulated, so it'll be nice and strong. Plenty of room to fit batteries in here now for sure. I'm thinking about doing one on this side, one on that side, and then building the actual bash bar off the back of that there. And you know, looking for where the taillights are. We have plenty of room in between the bumper and the welded on chassis section. So I went ahead and shut the garage door since the lighting is actually better in here at this point with the garage door shut. And you can definitely get a better idea of what I did back here. So, you know, much larger, much beefier, more room for things, and much better surfaces to build the bash bars off of. But anyways, you know, another thing, obviously, as I've said in the past, and I'm probably sounding like a broken record at this point, but I'm running out of money and stuff to buy for the car. So basically, all the rest of the updates that I do are just going to be fab work on it. You know, usually on Mondays or Tuesdays, I post up like a weekly update on the car, and I literally got almost nothing done on the car this weekend, so that's why I didn't get an update video. And right now it's basically just coming down to fab work. So I bought some material to do fabrication with to get that rear section done. I do have some tubing back there to start working on the bash bars with. I have to build that floor pan to cover those coolant lines. You know, I do have some fab work to do, but you know, I got to start saving some money up for some things here, so videos are gonna definitely be slowing down here. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this one though. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, follow the build along, and till next time, I'll catch you guys later. Oh man, I got shit all over my face.